Okay, thanks for joining us. Today we are going to talk about the RDF Final Report. Now, if you're familiar with the RDF request, I have a view of one that we did in an example video previously. You can ask your prevention specialist if you haven't seen this video and would like to see it. And then I have a copy of a completed final budget report here. And all I've done for this is I've taken the information we need, such as coalition name, address, and other information, and I've just taken it from our sample. Same name, same fiscal agent, which is what you would do for the form. You know, whoever the coalition is, the address, the contact, all that same information that you would have done on your RDF request form. Along with the coalition's fiscal agent, date of event, amount received, you can take all of that information right off of that form. And then we get to some of the new information here. First of all, the amount spent, the actual amount you spent of that RDF. So for here, I've put $500 to show that we spent all of the RDF. The next question is, was the expected outcome met? And I went ahead and said yes, because for our example, it was met. And then it asks you to say how you feel that the outcome was met. Or if you didn't meet it, it wants to know what you learned from the experience and how you can improve it in the future. So since I said yes, what we put here was there were more than 100 people in attendance, which exceeded our expected 60 people. The results from surveys collected showed that people enjoyed the event and learned a lot. If I go back to our original request and I scroll down to outcomes, expected outcomes here, and I go through this, I can see that we expect an attendance of at least 60 people. So that was one of the outcomes we were expecting. And along with other things about interacting with parents, and I went through some of the goals, and I just moved those over there to show that we met those things. Moving down, we have to do a budget worksheet with actual expenditures and documentation. So you'll have some line items here. And again, I took these directly from the original request. So you'll go back to your request, and you should be following this plan because this is what you told us you would do, and so it should be very similar. So I went with equipment rental, $225, media and advertising, $175, supplies, $75, and of course food, the maximum was $25. Now, with that said, then all you have to do is sign and date, and then you're finished with this actual form. However, we do require that you submit receipts for all your expenditures that you use RDF funds for. So you will need a receipt from the equipment rental, media and advertising. If you use more than one kind of media or advertising, so let's say maybe you made some flyers, but then you also did a Facebook ad or something like that cost a little money, we need receipts to show each different thing that you did that totaled $175. For supplies often has multiple receipts. So you may go to, say, Dollar General or Walmart or other places to get supplies. You'll have to submit the receipts for those items as well. And the same with the food. We need all those receipts, as well as we'd like to get copies of your surveys so that we can see how things went as well. If you have any more questions about the RDF Final Report, feel free to contact Preferred Family Healthcare's Prevention Department and speak with your prevention specialist. Thank you.